Welcome to our tutorial on the noughts and crosses and technique for long multiplication. In this tutorial we will demonstrate the step-by-step process to long multiplication. Our first example will be 36 multiplied by 47. The first step in long multiplication is to set out your algorithm correctly. It will be easier for you if you put the largest number at the top with the smaller number underneath. Now when beginning these problems, you must start with the number in the ones column of the second number. This happens to be 6. So first we do 6 times 7, which is equal to 42. Put the 2 in the ones column and trade the 41s for 4 tens. Now we times 6 by 4, which is 24, plus the 4 from before, which is 28. Now comes our noughts and crosses moment. Cross out any numbers you traded to avoid confusion in the next part. In this case, it's number 4. You will also need to cross out the number 6 that you just used. The nought symbol goes in the ones column of the next line of your answer. And now we will continue with the multiplication of the tens column. 3 times 7 is equal to 21. Put the 1 down and trade 20 tens for 2 hundreds. And then do the equation 3 times 4. This is equal to 12. Plus the 2 from before, that equals 14. Now we have come to the part of the equation where we do our additions. 2 plus 0 is equal to 2. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. And then a 1 in the thousands column. The answer is 1,692. Now how about we try a bit of a harder sum. Our next question will be 243 times by 96. Remember to put the biggest number at the top when designing your algorithm. So let's begin solving our problem. First we need to do 3 times by 6. This is equal to 18. We're going to keep the 8 and trade the 10 ones for 1 10. Now we need to do 6 times by 4. This is equal to 24 plus our 1 is equal to 25. Keep the 5 and trade our 20 tens for 200s. Now our final sum will be 6 times 2, which is equal to 12, plus our 2 is equal to 14. It's time again for noughts and crosses. First, you are going to cross off our old trades. which is number 2, and number 1. Now we're going to cross out the number we just used, which was 6, and we have to add our naught in the new ones column in our answer. Now we can keep multiplying. The next step is to do 9 times by 3, which is equal to 27. We're going to keep the 7 and trade 21s for 2 10s. Next we'll do 9 times 4, which is equal to 36, plus the 2 is equal to 38. Keep the 8 and trade 30 10s for 300s. After that, we're going to do 9 times by 2. Nine times 2 is equal to 18. Oops, forgot to add our 3 from before. If we add the 3, it is equal to 21. And now the time comes again for our additions. The first is 8 plus 0, which is equal to 8. Now we do 5 plus 7, which is equal to 12. So we put the 2 down and we trade 10 ones for 1 10. Now we do 4 plus 8 plus the 1 is 13. Keep the 3 and carry the 1. Our answer is 23,328. Well done on the completion of this tutorial, and keep practicing your noughts and pluses.